In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Zoho CRM SMTP error so you can get your email integration back up and running smoothly. An SMTP error typically means that Zoho CRM is able to connect to your email service provider, but it is failing to actually send out messages. This is a common frustration for many Zoho users, but it usually comes down to a few specific settings that are easy to verify. This error typically occurs because of incorrect security settings, an outdated password, or authentication issues between Zoho and your email host. If you have been struggling to get your automated emails or manual templates sent out from within the CRM, this guide is for you. If this video helps you resolve the issue, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Let's jump into the solution. First, you need to verify your server and port settings. Open your Zoho CRM dashboard and navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner. From there, select Channels and then click on Email. This is where your integration details are stored. You need to check the outgoing server or SMTP details very carefully. If you are using Gmail, make sure the server is set to smtp.gmail.com. For the port, you should be using 465 if you have selected SSL security, or port 587 if you are using TLS. If these numbers are off by even one digit, the connection will fail immediately. Next, let's talk about passwords. This is one of the most frequent causes of the SMTP error. Many users change their master email password but forget to update it in Zoho. However, there is a more complex issue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Gmail or Outlook account, your regular login password will not work here. You must generate an app-specific password from your Google or Microsoft security settings and use that in the Zoho CRM email configuration instead. If you haven't updated this recently, go ahead and change all passwords in the email settings and click Save. Another thing to keep in mind is your daily sending limits. Every email provider has a cap on how many emails you can send per day. If you are running a large bulk email campaign and you hit that limit, Gmail or Outlook may temporarily block the SMTP connection as a security measure. Check with your provider to see if you have exceeded your quota. If you have confirmed all settings and it still isn't working, the next step is to click on Update, log in again, or even try deactivating and reactivating the connection to refresh the handshake between Zoho and your server. By following these steps, you should clear that SMTP error and get back to business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho tutorials. See you in the next one.